Creating a seamless connection between your home and the outdoors is one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make, especially in a place like Sumter, where homeowners enjoy mild weather, beautiful scenery, and plenty of sunshine. One of the most effective ways to elevate this indoor-outdoor lifestyle is by installing new patio doors. Modern patio doors are more than just functional entry points. They improve comfort, energy efficiency, natural light, and overall aesthetic appeal. If you're considering an upgrade, here's how new patio doors can transform your Sumter home. Bring more natural light into your home. New patio doors are designed with expanded glass panels that allow generous daylight to flood your living spaces. Whether you choose sliding, French, or folding patio doors, the increased natural light instantly makes your home feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming. This is especially beneficial in family rooms, kitchens, and dining areas where people gather. Many homeowners in Sumter also appreciate the energy savings that come from reduced daytime lighting usage. Create a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. A major appeal of patio doors is their ability to blur the boundaries between interior and exterior living. Large glass surfaces and wide openings encourage a natural flow as you move from the living room to the patio, pool deck, or backyard. For homeowners who love hosting family events, cookouts, or casual get-togethers, this easy access enhances convenience and creates a more open, connected experience. Multi-panel sliding or folding patio doors take this a step further by opening up entire walls, allowing you to fully embrace South Carolina's pleasant weather. When closed, they still offer uninterrupted views of your outdoor spaces. Improved ventilation and indoor comfort. Fresh air plays a huge role in indoor comfort, especially during Sumter's warmer months. High-quality patio doors help you control ventilation effortlessly. Sliding doors allow for smooth, adjustable opening, while French doors provide a wide, double-door breeze path. When paired with screened enclosures or shaded patios, these doors create a refreshing airflow that makes your home feel cooler without relying solely on air conditioning. Upgrade the beauty and style of your home. New patio doors instantly elevate your home's style. Modern designs come in a wide variety of colors, finishes, and materials, from sleek contemporary frames to classic wood grain looks. Homeowners can choose from French patio doors, elegant and timeless, with traditional charm. Sliding patio doors, ideal for saving interior space and delivering expansive outdoor views. Folding or multi-panel doors, perfect for homeowners wanting a modern, dramatic indoor-outdoor experience. These design options complement everything from historic Sumter homes to contemporary builds, making it easy to enhance curb appeal and interior decor at the same time. Boost energy efficiency and comfort. Higher energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons homeowners upgrade their patio doors. New doors are built with advanced insulating features such as low-E glass, thermal breaks, and multi-chambered frames, which help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures throughout Sumter's seasonal changes. This not only reduces heat transfer and drafts but also helps lower monthly energy bills. Better insulation also contributes to quieter indoor environments by reducing outside noise, a bonus for homes near busy streets or active neighborhoods. Increase safety and home value. Modern patio doors come equipped with improved locking mechanisms, shatter-resistant glass, and strong, durable frames. These features add peace of mind and enhance overall home security. Additionally, stylish, energy-efficient patio doors can raise your property value, making them a smart investment for homeowners planning to sell in the future. Transform your Sumter home with the right patio door. If you're looking to enhance comfort, increase natural light, and elevate your home's aesthetic, upgrading to new patio doors is one of the most effective improvements you can make. With the right style and professional installation, your patio doors can completely redefine how you experience indoor-outdoor living in Sumter, turning everyday moments into something truly enjoyable.